Today I will make a stroke animation with After Effect. This is the animation. First I am taking a project here. I am taking a new composition here. Frame rate is 60. Size will be 1920 by 1080. Duration will be 7 seconds. I am using color picker to choose a color. I'm going to Adobe color. I have selected a red line color. Copying the hexadecimal code here. I am taking the pen tool. I'll use the stroke color here. Animation will be done from left to right. Now I will set the hexadecimal into the stroke line. I am taking the trim path, the stroke line, and change the color from the palette here. Now I will animate it. I'm going to the trim path area and adjust the size, round cap and round join. I'm selecting the end path, reduce the end path to 0. And this is the animation, the stroke lines. I'm changing the graph of easing, change the speed. The animation is different here. I'm now writing a text here, text tool, connect with us. Now I will change the font size, letter font. I am now adjusting the font size spacing. I will change the color as like as the stroke line. And take the anchor path into middle by Control Alt or Home button. I'll go to effect to execute typewriter effect here. The typewriter effect is working. Set the animation direction to easy ease. Now the animation is working. I will now set web address here. I'm now adjusting the spacing. I will make an animation from bottom to top transition using alphabet. I'm now setting alphabet here. Yeah. I will now transition of position here of the text line, bottom to top. Yeah, the animation is completed here. I will now change the using behavior to easy ease. It is the end of the animation. I will now render it. I will now render it. This is the animation. Anyone can edit and change it and apply according to suitable places. I make a group, stroke text animation. I'm taking a solid here. Take that animation here above the solid. Now the animation is working really and can be applicable to any places. Anyone can edit the animation by double click to the text line, change the font text according to the purposes, and cut the frame. This is the end of the tutorial. I'll make a new one next time. Thank you for watching.